Hi, this is Mark with AFT Construction. We are here at Project Worth the Wait, and we're going to focus a little bit on the front entrance here. So as you can see, we have some CMU columns here built. What goes into this first? First we have to pour footings. We actually poured these footings with the original house footings. Rebar was also put in there. Then we have the surveyor come and put his points so we know exactly where to get these columns built. We then proceed with building the columns up to 5 feet tall. And then we have to get an inspection. The inspector is looking for rebar in every cell. He's looking for the ties on certain levels of the block. And once he passes us off on that first lift of inspection, then we're allowed to grout these cells, and then we actually add more rebar to go up to the next lift. So then we build the next lift. He comes, inspects again. You can see these what were little holes right here. The block guys leave those out so the inspector can see inside that the rebar is attached into the bottom lift. And then once he passes it off on this second lift, we come back and we grout this lift. So these columns are 10'6" high off of the finished floor. And now that these are done, the framer can actually start framing the front entrance here. So this entrance will come out and it'll go all the way up the same height as the roof. Basically, it's like a little covered porch area, and it will have a window up top, and then these columns will actually get wrapped with limestone. So as we take you here through the front, this is going to be like a covered entryway. There is a lot of detail that goes into building these columns, not only for structure and holding the weight of what's going to be up above it, but also you can't really see, but there are hold downs that are grouted into those cells that will also act as shear, like a wind shear. So that's going to also hold down the top part of this roof. And as we walk through, this will actually be the entry door right here. This is going to get a big wooden door above. There'll be a huge window to let light through. So light will come through the window on the covered entry, and light will also come through the window above the front entry door. Inside, we're going to have tall ceilings. I believe those are 24 feet tall. And right inside to the left, we'll have our staircase that will kind of go up a little ways, and then it'll turn and go up, and then it'll turn again and go up to the final level. As you can see from this little concept drawing here, this is what the front entrance will actually look like. These will be the columns right here that were built, and then this all is going to be framed up on top of the entrance, and then through will be the front entry door. So that is the covered entry. The columns are behind the limestone right here. This is going to be a wall that was set back away from this covered entry. So this kind of like a private area, and with a little gate that walks through. All right, so here we are. We're actually standing in the kitchen area, and as you can see behind me, we still have a lot of framing to do. Their walls are still going up. We still have some walls to install up on the second level. You can see we actually have the safety barriers up where future walls will be. We're still doing plywood on the roof. We're still framing walls in the back. So we still got quite a bit of details to do inside this house. There's some profit ceilings in here. And once we get through the framing stage and get through our inspections, then we can move on to rough trades, which would be plumbers, electricians, mechanical, and fire sprinklers. Here we are. We're in the garage area right now. We still have a little bit of details to finish up in here. We still have walls to install on the columns right here at the garage entrance. We still have the plywood floor to finish up. We do have attic space up here. Also, the scuttle hole needs to be framed in. And yeah, we're getting close. We still have a little more framing to do, but we're getting close. So thanks for checking it out here at Worth the Wait, and stay tuned for more updates.